Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure your network works and other sites stream. Once done, update Safari and the operating system. This fixes many codec and DRM mismatches. Next, quit Safari and restart the device to clear transient resource locks. If you use a VPN or download manager, turn it off momentarily. These can throttle or block streaming. Make sure to note whether the problem is on one site only, because that narrows the next steps. Now dig into Safari's content settings to remove local blockers. Clear cache and website data for the affected domain to remove corrupted assets, and then reload. If video still fails, disable all extensions and test in private mode. This isolates an extension or cookie issue. Also verify autoplay and JavaScript are enabled, because many players require both. Content blockers or strict privacy settings can stop video fetches. If DRM content won't play, confirm play ready or fair play support via system updates. Finish by verifying the network path and device level configurations. Switch to a different DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8, or reset network settings if packets are blocked. This fixes routing and TLS handshake problems. If videos play on another device or account, focus on your user profile or system settings. As a last resort, reinstall Safari or create a new user account to rule out config corruption. If problems
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.